Hi friends, panoorin natin ang pagbisita natin
Pataas.
dito sa Bukit
Pataas
Batok
pala to.
Nature Park. Dito nga pala kami
Ayan.
dumaan. Pwede naman kasi dumaan dito shortcut para
Hiking,
makarating tayo
lakad-lakad
kaagad dun sa
ulit. Ayan.
pupuntahan natin.
Dito tayo sa Bukit
So
Batok
tingnan
Nature
nyo ang
Park.
daan, malinis,
Ibang way naman
sementado
ito.
pa. So bali paakyat ito. At yan.
Hello! Nandito kami ngayon sa park, Bukit Batok Nature Park. Pagkatapos ng simba, dumiretso na kami dito kasi naka-ready na yung kasama ko. So, naglalakad na kami. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami. Tara!
Napakatahimik, sarap maglakad-lakad pag ganitong oras. Siguro mga alas 4 na ito, mag alas 4 na yan. Medyo mainit pa, pero pag nasilungan ka ng mga kahoy, medyo malamig naman. Kaya panoorin natin.
No swimming there. I can look. The assistant down. So, down. Whoa, this is
Turtles. You count how many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
The small one there.
7, 8,
So many.
9, 10.
See? Look
10 total.
at the two here.
Yes.
I cannot see properly.
You want to go the other side? Do you want to go the other side?
Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So many. Is it 10 only?
10 total.
Here? How about here? Got one more there.
Total
There.
18.
There's 18. Wow, a lot Today a lot. Ayan. Tapos yung isang isda nandito. Tapos yung si turtle. Ayan o. Ayan, si turtle. Maraming salamat. Ayan, pabalik na tayo. Medyo makulimlim kasi alas 5 na ng hapon. Kaya ito, tingnan natin ang view. Medyo parang tapos na yata yun sa taas. Oh. Ayan. Marami din mga naglalaro dyan. Ayan. Okay. Go to the other side. Yeah, like that. Then other side. the other one also. The other one. One more time. No, one more time. Go back. The other side. Put the other side. Put the other hand. Yeah, go. Then the other side. The other side. You're cheating. One more time. Go back. One more time. No, it's not like that. Okay. Pa yung kukak. Ay. Bird. Ano sabi? Ayan, pabalik na kami. Ayan. Medyo maano na siya. Pero pag ganitong alas 5, marami pa ring taong dumarating. Jogging. Mag-walk. Tataas ng mga puno, oh. Ayun, naririnig nyo na. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Ayan, may pababa dito. May small bridge. Small bridge. Ayan, may small bridge. Tingnan natin. Ayun. Ayan yung tubig. Tumadaloy dyan. At Ito na, dyan. Ang ganda niya, no? Ayan, main road na yan. Tapos, come here. Look. Kanal nila. Oh. Yan. Ayan, magdadapit hapon na. Yan ang view dito. Ayan, yung car park para sa Bukit Batok Nature Park. Ayan, pwede kang mag-entrance, pumasok. Pwede din dito sa part na to. Ayan. Dito, pwede din dito sa part na to. Ayan, pwede din dyan. Pasok dyan, papunta sa Bukit Batok Nature. Yung bundok na sinasabi ko, paakyat yan. Bundok. Pag nasa tabi-tabi lang. Nice, right? No. Dito oh. Ayan. Yan yung mga ibon. Ibong mang may layang lumipad. Tawag na laksa late pa yan oh. Laksa. Gugupitin ko yan ng maliliit para ilagay as toppings mamaya sa laksa na lulutuin. Yan oh. Maganda tong amoy nito.
So ngayon magluluto tayo ng laksa. Ito yung laksa paste, may bean curd yan. Tapos may laksa leaf, may egg, may bihon, may fish cake, tapos may tauge, may shredded chicken at prawn. Ayan. So haluin lang natin, ihalo natin ganyan. At laksa na. Yan ang laksa. Signature dish ng Singapore. Masarap yan.
Ito ay chicken feet recipe
Tapos,
or
gumawa
chicken
din
feet
tayo
soup.
ng soup.
At yan ang
Chicken
mga
feet
ingredients
soup.
natin. May
Ito naman
barley,
mga
may red
ingredients,
dates, may oysters, may onion. Siyempre, merong potatoes, carrots, chicken
may
feet.
carrots, may patatas,
At
syempre,
ano pa?
may chicken feet.
Syempre,
at yan. Syempre, may
may
barley
tubig.
pala. Ayan, soup. Sarap niyan. Healthy na, masarap pa. At syempre, hindi magpapahuli si
Turn,
Doggy.
one more time. Turn. Turn. Yay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you eat all, ah. Yay. Let's see if we can open. It's so clever, Bo. Open. Something inside. How you do? I will not help you. Bring it out. Clever boy. Huh? Come on. Come on, baby. Bring it up. Yay! Got treats. Eat all, ah. That's what I do if he doesn't want to eat. Yummy, yummy. Saying good morning. Thank you for what? Dali. Come here, babe. Come. Yan, something. You ignoring me again, ah? You ignoring me? Look. Look. Look, look. Yeah, quick. Come here. High five, Papa. Give me, Pa. Give me, Pa. Quick. Good boy.
Everyone, happy Black Saturday. Say hi. High five. Dali, high five. Ting, 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 ting. Sasayawan namin kayo. Ayan. Happy Black Saturday. I'm big. Bye. Nah. I make omelette for you already, ka? Good boy. You don't want to eat? I won't open the door. Come quick. Drama boy again. Okay, I throw Don't want to eat I throw. Eat. Jale, look. Must eat. Drama more. Eat. I already put something. I put turkey. Here. Quick. Nah. Come. Oi. I purposely make this one for you. Look at me. Where's the cane? Where's the cane? Okay, good boy. You want to open door? Okay, eat first. Or you want the poo-poo first? 1, 2, 3. You see how you open? It flip. Ayo, why you go there? Flip. Little boy. Go, open. Remove. Go. Okay. How you remove? Clever. See, I see. What's inside? Got some treats. Where? No more already. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again next time. Bye.